Hi, this is Chandra Wood, licensed esthetician and certified makeup artist. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a highlighted and contoured cheek to give you a healthy, youthful appearance. I'm going to go ahead and set my skin with a pressed powder, but I have already applied foundation to my skin. This is going to set the foundation and prepare my skin for the highlight and contour. For the contour, I'm going to choose a shade that is 2 shades darker than my natural skin tone, so I can have more enhancement to my bone structure. I'm going to be using an angle brush with the shade on it, and I'm going to start at the contour of my cheek. So you can find that by pressing with your finger in the middle of your ear down the cheek. You will feel that little divot in there. So I'm going to apply the powder with my angle brush and applying it in an upward motion. This is going to be creating dimension to the cheek and a lifting appearance. I'm then going to blend with my powder brush that I used earlier, just very gently on the skin. Next, I'm going to use the same brush with a little bit more product down along the jawline. Going to blend. Alright, next we're going to choose a highlight color that we want to use for our cheekbones. So you want to choose a color that's going to be 2 shades lighter than your natural skin tone. If you want more sculpting, add a matte powder, and then on top, if you like a little shimmer, you can add a shimmer color that's also 2 shades lighter. I will display how to do that with both textures today. I'm going to start with a matte powder that's 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, using the side of a powder brush, and I'm going to apply it in an upward motion on the top of my cheekbone. You can naturally see where your cheekbone is, applying it gently in upward motion, and you don't want to go past the middle and the iris of your eye. I'm then going to take the same color and I'm going to brush it right under where my contour was. I'm going to use a little bit of the Ageless Derma pressed powder in the highlight color. The color that I'm using I will go ahead and display to you right here. This is the color I'm going to choose for my shimmer highlight on top of the matte. So very gently I'm just going to brush over that matte powder that I used. I'm going to brush right underneath very gently, upward motion. Take a little bit of my powder brush, do circular motions just to blend, and there we have some of our shaping that we've done. Next, we're going to add our blush color, which is just really going to give the full effect of the look. So I have my brush, and I'm just going to lightly smile and then blend upwards. You can dab a little on the apples. And then we would also go ahead and do the same procedure on the other side of the face. For product use and information that we used on this video, go ahead and click the link below. If you would like to see more videos like this and tutorials, please go to agelessderma.com.